Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my friends, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are doing well and you are enjoying your online learning as well. I am Samia Kaval. I am working in Peria Town International Academy as a prep class teacher. This is our lecture number 9 of show and tell. Welcome to all of you. Let's start our day. As you know how we start our day, in the name of Allah Ta'ala. Yes, so everyone raise your hand for Tauz and Tasmiyah. Then we will read dua for learning, and that is Rabbi Zidni Ilma. O Allah, increase us in knowledge. Ameen. What you need for today's lecture? Look at your screen. The first one is student book, second is activity book, then one pencil and eraser and some colors. Make sure you have all these things on your table before starting today's lecture. Now here is a review of your home task, and that was on your activity book, page number 12, 1 to 12. So everyone open page number 12 on activity book. This one page on activity book. They were saying, say it with me. Your home task was about digraphs and consonant blends. As you can see, there are two parts. Number one is match and trace. You need to find out the correct picture, and you have to read the correct word and match with the correct picture. The first one is done for you. As you can see, the boy is stretching his arm. So they matched the boy with the word stretch. Stretch. Now look at the second picture. This is about kitchen. Which picture is this? This is about, yes, it's not sitting room, it's not lounge, it's not drawing room. I think there is a stove and shelf and sink, and all these things should be in a kitchen, I think so. So this is kitchen. So find out the spellings of kitchen. K-H-N. Kitchen, the last one word, match with the kitchen. The last picture is about the girl is catching a ball. So find out the spellings of catch. K-H, catch. If you read these words through sounds, it will be more easy for you. You can find them easily. So always try to read anything through sounds. And make your habit, try to read a storybook whenever you feel free. Make timetable for reading. So the last one picture is about catching. The girl is catching a ball. So the word is catch. So this is about digraph TCH. And now come on, consonant blends. Number 2, complete the words. There are 3 pictures with 3 consonant blends in a box, you can see, and there are 3 blanks. You have to fill them. So look at the picture very carefully. Yes, picture is a hint for you. Look at picture number 1. What the girl is doing? Stamping her feet. Stamp. So which consonant blend I will write here? ST. Middle one. I will write here as T. Stamp. The second one is the boy is crossing his legs. So to find out is there any sound of cross or claws? Yes, cross. So we will write CR. The last one consonant blend. K, k or S. Cross. And the last picture is about the girl is clapping. So the first one consonant blend we will write here. CL. K, k, a. Clap. Clap. This was your home task, and if you want to color, then color the pictures as well. Now everyone open student book, page number 15. Keep smiling like this girl. So what are the objectives of today's lecture, today's lesson? Open page number 15 on student book. I am waiting for you. Objectives is to learn the importance of being kind and welcoming to newcomers. Yes, it is about your good manners, your etiquettes, how you behave in the class, how you show your good habits. It is all about your good manners. So we will discuss about good manners. Just remember, just imagine your first day at your school. How did you feel in the school? Did you make friends or not? Did you cry? Did you smile? Did you hug with your teacher or not? How did you say goodbye to your mama or your baba? Just think about all these. Next we have a song. Listen and follow, listen and repeat. First we will listen this song, then we will discuss about this picture. We will discuss about good manners. Before listening, what you have to do? You have to think about how does the girl feel? Why do you think she feels that way? Why is it important to be kind, nice to others? We will discuss all these after this song. Enjoy the song and we will be back inshallah.
1:18. Listen and follow. Listen and repeat.
What's your name?
I'm Anna.
Hi, welcome to our school.
Come on, Anna. Let's play.
Okay, great.
As you listen and enjoyed this song, I hope you enjoyed this song. What we have next, they are saying say and act out. Look at your book. It's time to do an activity. We will do it practically. So get ready everyone. You will do it with your siblings or your mama or baba, whoever is at home. You're at your home right now. So before doing it practically, what you have to do, you will write the date. Where you will write the date? Top of the page. My arrow is telling you here. You will write your date here. What is the date today? 22nd, double 2 and D, 22nd. We will read it 22nd, not 20th, 21st. Yesterday was 21st, so today is 22nd. This is ordinal number. Yes, in ordinal number we read it 22nd. June, 2020, space, H.T, again space and Monday. What is the day today? Monday. M should be capital in Monday. The first day of the week, Monday. How many days in a week? 7 days in a week. So where you will write date? Here, top of the page. Make it in proper way, please. Write your date in a proper way with proper formation. Give space, don't forget it. So we are going to read this page first, then we will do an activity. Look at picture number 1, then picture number 2. 2 girls and 1 boy here in each picture. You can see. So what the girl is saying. Look at the speech bubble. Words. Words. Y-O-U-R. Your. N-A-M-E. Name. And there is a question mark. I told you before, whenever you ask something, you will put a question mark here, not dot. It will be wrong because you are asking something. So what is the question? What's your full name? Who is asking? This girl. The girl is replying, I am. This is the short form of I am. Anna. I am Anna. What the boy is saying? Hi. H-I. Hi. W-E-L. Well. C-O-M-E. Come. Welcome. T-O. To. O-U-R. R. Welcome to our school. School. Welcome to our school. Is he showing good manners or not? Yes, he's showing his good manners. He's saying welcome to our school because today is the first day of Anna in the school. So he's saying welcome to our school and she's asking what's your name? Look at picture number 2. What the girl is saying again. Look at the speech bubble. C-O-M-E. Come. O-N. On. Come on. Anna. Let's. P-L-P-A. Play. Let's play. She is holding her hand and they are going for playing. But the Anna is replying, okay. Great. Okay, great. Now she is happy. Look at Anna's face. She is happy. They all are happy, by the way, because what they did, they have shown how to behave with the newcomers. They have shown their good manners, their good habits, etiquettes. So now they are all friends here and they are happy. They are going for playing. So always show your good manners. Look at this box. What is written here? A little. L-I-T. Lit. T. A little. A little bit. Bit. A little bit. O-F of. K-A-K. Kind. Kind. Kindness. A little bit of kindness. Some words I will read through sounds and some are tricky words. I can't read them through sounds. So don't be confused why I'm reading some words with sounds and some are not with sounds. I told you in my previous lectures. So don't be confused because tricky words can't be read through sounds. Go. Goes a or long goes along long way if you are. This is the short form of you are. Shy or sad. If you are shy or sad. A-double-L all all need all we need. T-O-2-S-A to say is come and play. Put on your smile and have nice day. How's your mama say goodbye to you early in the morning when she comes to drop to you? to you at school? At school gate, how she smiles? Just imagine. Same like that, same like your mama, you have to say have a nice day to newcomers in your classroom, whoever is coming in your class. So always show your good manners wherever you are, not in a classroom, even you are have a break. You have to show good manners in a break, in a ground, or if you are in a cafe, or if you are in a lab, wherever you are, you have to show your good manners. Don't forget it. The second one we were doing send it out. The third one is listen and chant. I will play this song again for you for chanting. While listening this song, you have to look at this page, you have to look at this speech bubble. Are they saying correct or not? Okay, one more thing they are saying, being kind and welcoming to newcomers. And vocabulary is welcome, come on, Anna, let's play. Now what we have? What you have to do? You have to do an activity now with your siblings. Same like that, you can play this game with your siblings, even with your mama. And by the way, how you are showing how you are behaving at home with your mama. Are you teasing your mama nowadays, or your siblings, or your cousins, or your friends, or your neighbors? Always show your good manners. Even you are at home, you are at playground, you are in a public place, you are in a restaurant, you are in a street, wherever you are, always show your good manners. So now you are going to play it with your siblings. What you need to do? You can make groups, or if you want, then you need to say all these dialogues, or you can change the dialogue. And now while saying dialogue, you have to act out as well. And think about, or you can talk about, why it's important to be kind. Ask, how does it feel if people are not kind to you? Are people always kind to you? Are you always kind to people? How do you try to be kind to people? It's not about just people. We should be kind with animals as well. Take care of them. We should be kind with birds. So you can play this game. I will ask to your mamas when we will meet, inshallah, and we will meet very soon, how you behaved at home. So please behave good at home, show your good manners, make your timetable for your studies, for your playtime, for your lunch, for your dinner, for your exercise. Make your own timetable and follow it, and follow the good habits. Follow the good cartoons, good movies. So next I'm going to play listen and chant. What you need? You have to look at your book now. Are they reading? Are they telling you correct or not? And find out the word which they are reading, with which they are chanting. I hope you will enjoy it.
1:19. Listen and chant.
A little bit of kindness goes a long, long way. If you're shy or sad, all we need to say is come, come, come and play.
After chanting what I have, open your activity book. Page number 13. Everyone, open this page. You have to do it with me right now. So open your page and hold your pencil. Write the same date, 22nd June, comma 2020, space H.T, again space, and write Monday. M should be capital. Write this date where you are going to write here, top of the page. You will write your date here, same date, 22nd June, comma 2020, space H.T, again space, and Monday. You will write here. Then they are saying follow me. Write and draw. What you have to do? Write and draw. First look at the pictures. There are 3 pictures, 1, 2 and 3, and 4 is empty box. You need to draw here. And there are 4 word bank here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You need to read them and you will fill up the blanks here. The first one, how you will do? You will look at the picture first. This is picture number 1, where they are. So read it. Repeat after me, everyone. Say it aloud. I want to listen your voice now. I'm missing your voice actually. So say it aloud. W-E-L, well, C-O-M-E, come, welcome. T-O, to, O-U-R, R, welcome to R. So which word we will write here in this blank? Look at the picture now, where they are standing. Who can guess? Yes, this is picture of school. So find out the word school from the given word bank. The first one is house. House. Is it school? Spelling of school? No. So go forward. Look at the second one. School. 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 So you will write the second one word in this blank. Welcome to our school. They are happy. They are waving. They are going to school. So you will write here school. Which one word? School. Welcome to our school. Look at second picture. Again the same word is written here. W-E-L, well, C-O-M-E, come. Welcome. T-O-2, O-U-R-R. Welcome to our. Now where they are? Look at the picture. Guess which picture is this? Yes. Let's read. Yes, it is about house. Yes, this is the picture of house. 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 You will write here in number 2 blank. Welcome to our house. Whoever is coming at your home, say always welcome. Don't hide yourself. It's not good, okay? Welcome to them with smiling face. Whoever is coming at your home. So now come on the third one. Again they are saying welcome to our. Which picture is this? Oh yes, here is your teacher as well. I think so it is about classroom. Which word you have done, you can cross them. Like you have done school, so you can cross it. House, you can cross it because you have written in first 2 pictures. How many words are left? Bedroom and classroom. So there is a 1 picture. The last one you will draw. Which one is missing? You will find out and draw and write here. But now 2 words are left. Bedroom and classroom. Is it bedroom? No. Because there is a teacher. Teacher always, we always see in a school. So welcome to our classroom. You will write the spellings of K, K, again consonant blends here. K, A, Kla, S, class. R, U, Ru, room, classroom. Welcome to our classrooms. You will write this spelling, this word classroom here. So cross it because you have done with it. The last one, which one is left? B, A, T, bed, U, Ru, room, bedroom. Bedroom is left, but here is no picture of bedroom. So you will draw in this box. You will draw your bedroom. What you have in your bedroom you can draw here and write here the spellings of bedroom. Number third one word you will write here. Welcome to my bedroom. My, my bedroom. You will do this page like this. Again, what is the value? Being kind and welcoming to newcomers. Again, I'm reminding you, don't forget to behave good. Nowadays, you are at home with your siblings. Don't fight with them. Always listen your mama, your babas, your siblings. Or if your cousins are coming at your home, always listen them and respect them. It is not about just listening. It is also about respecting them. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. It is all about today's lesson. Make your own timetable. Make your good habits. This lecture will help you, I think so. Now I'm saying stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Don't forget to behave good at home, show your good manners. Don't forget to wash your hands. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.